everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect Mother's Day gift DIY style. So first of all, I've got this little box which I think it was packed in from like a Christmas present with dog treats in it, what I got for my dog from all the way from Devon. I thought it'd be ideal. So what we're going to do is I've bought some gift wrap. I'm going to wrap this completely around the box to make it look like a pretty little spotty box. It's harder than I thought. Okay, so not gonna lie, that was a lot harder than I expected, but I managed to kind of roundabout do a spotty box, and I'm quite proud of it, even though it's not the neatest job, but it will do. Next on the agenda, you can use whatever you like. You can use tissue paper, you can use shredded paper. I, however, decided I'd do a bit of reduce, reuse, recycling, and I'm going to be using the packaging from my Lush box, which is like these shooting star type polystyrene foamy things. Well, it's not polystyrene actually, it's like this foamy stuff. I'm going to fill my box with this, and it's literally, yeah, it's basically from my Lush packaging that I had for Christmas, and I'm just going to reuse it again. I think that might be a bit much, so I'm just going to put that there. So that makes a nice little base layer for your mini hamper. Next, I'm going to fill it with some of my mum's favourite things. So this can be anything from a bar of soap, to some shower gel, to some of her favourite chocolates, to something with mum on it, like a key ring or a pen. I've got some chocolates and soaps and just some bits and bobs that my mum likes. So I'm going to fill it in here, and we will see the outcome. You can also bury them as well. A mini hamper made just for your mum. You can also put a bit of ribbon around it, which is what I am going to do next. So I've managed to find a little bit of ribbon. Unfortunately, I think it's just short of being able to fit the whole way around the box, which is really annoying. We'll see what we can do with it, and let's just see how it goes. After a lot of hard work, because it was a lot harder than I actually expected to make. When I had the thought in my head, I thought, yeah, it's gonna be easy, but actually wrapping the actual box up, I struggled with. Clearly, I'm just very cat-handed. But yes, so this was a Mother's Day gift made with about £10–12 worth of products, a £1.49 wrapping paper, and a box that I've reused, and some foam that I've reused. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some more stuff like this, please comment some sort of suggestions for more videos. If you'd like to see some more DIY, if you'd like to see some tutorials, if you'd like to see something just a bit different maybe from my channel, just give me some hints and tips. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.